Hi friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to share a haul video on Smyttens. Smytten is a website where you can try products or buy full-size products. You get 6 trials for 199 rupees, which gets converted to either cashback or full-size products or into 6 more trials again. Apply my referral code while signing up on Smyttens and discover amazing trials from premium brands. Along with the 6 trails, you will definitely get a one free gift from the options given there. I have selected this blue color multi-utility pouch from Smyttens worth of 499 rupees. We can carry mobile money or these trail items in this Smyttens pouch. I have 6 trials here. The first product I bought was Sear Secret Silverated Lavender and Geranium Tranquility Facial Mist, MRP 111. I like the smell of this facial mist very much. It's just 30 ml bottle. The second one was Aranya Sea Buckthorn shampoo. It is just 25 grams tube. I haven't used this till now. After using, I'll give you a review on it. Third product was onion oil with rosemary and tea tree from Sage Apothecary. This one we have used. This is an awesome product for hair growth. Just 30 ml bottle. Fourth product is from Anor green tea slush body scrub. It smells very good and very soft scrub. We can use it for sensitive skin also. It's a very small and cute bottle. It's just for 20 grams and 150 MRP on this. The next product is onion conditioner with onion and coconut for hair fall control. This is from Mamaearth. The MRP of this product is 99. The next product was Mamaearth face mask with saffron, turmeric and apricot oil. This is for skin brightening. Paraben and silicone free product. Its MRP is 99 rupees. This product I got as a complimentary. This is Axe Signature Ticket Body Perfume. It is very useful to carry in your pocket while going outside. It's very nice and cute spray. It really smells amazing, pocket friendly and very nice ticket. First time I have seen this. Uh, Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to apply the code while signing up. Thank you.